G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. In this video, we're going to be discussing the 5 steps to selling on Amazon Australia. The first step is find your winning product. Now, there are research tools out there. There's a lot of really good information out there. Check out my video program also on the website below. We've actually got a great extensive training on getting started on Amazon Australia, as well as the US market as well. All right, so first of all, you need to find your winning product. You need to look at reviews, you've got to look at turnover, you've got to look at obviously the bestseller rank, and you've got to look at the simplicity of the product. Especially if this is your first product, you want to make it as simple as you possibly can. Do not have TVs or laptops, because if something goes wrong, do you know how to fix it? The answer is probably no. So stay away from the more advanced techie sort of products. Now, find your winning product is number 1. Number 2 is find your suppliers. Sites like Alibaba, AliExpress, DHgate, HKTDC.com. There's a whole bunch of products out there, globalsources.com. Alibaba is probably by far the biggest. They are their Amazon equivalent, right? Alibaba is good enough, all right? But find a good product. The third thing is get a sample. Get one product in from China. Or call them up, say, I call them all the time. I don't speak Cantonese. All I can say is Ni Hao Man Kong Hee Fa Choi, which is Happy New Year. But you don't need to speak Cantonese. You do not need to speak Mandarin. If you just call them up and speak very slowly, very clearly, they'll be able to understand you completely, all right? Step number 4, list your product on Amazon. It's not rocket science. There are steps involved, all right, but list your product on Amazon. Step number 5 is scale up. Now, if the product is working, now if you've done your research properly from day one and you've found your winning product, usually you don't have to scrap products. Now, a lot of Amazon sellers, unfortunately, in Australia as well as the USA, they play Russian roulette with the products that they choose. Bad decision, guys, all right? So they choose 20 different products. It's like the shotgun approach. They try 20 different products, hope, fingers crossed, 50-50 one works, all right, or a couple work. And what will end up happening at the later stage is some won't be selling, some will be selling, some will be disappointing, so they're going to have to scrap them, right? You do not want to be doing that, right? Now, if you have to do it, you do it, and you lose a bit of money, but if you do your research from step 1 properly from day 1, right, you won't have to scrap any products, right? So you'll come to the end, you'll be making it, you would have done turnover and sold a few products. You just got to figure out then how to scale up. And that's actually what we teach at our Sydney and our Gold Coast workshops, how to scale up your Amazon business. So how to sell more than your competitors. And like I said, unfortunately, most Amazon sellers wing it. They do it by trial and error, and they try and learn the hard way. There is a system to it, guys. You're not going to try and do brain surgery on yourself, are you? You're going to go to someone who's doing this every single day. So guys, if you want to find out more, check out our video program. Book yourself in with one of my team members, all right? It's a free, there's no trying to selling you or anything at all. It's complimentary, and there's no sort of strings attached. If you want to chat to one of my team members, book yourself into one of our 15-minute to 30-minute calls to find out whether or not selling on Amazon is for you. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me, guys. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.